All right, Packer Nation. Week 3 distance learning. Tell you what, I ran into Jorge Garcia working, and I just about ran up and gave him a hug. So glad to see him. I miss you guys, and I hope things are going well. It seems as if a lot of the hiccups of distance learning have started to smooth themselves out. So hopefully you're starting to feel more confident, get into more of a routine, kind of know what times a day you work best. Maybe even think about turning off your phone for an hour or two while you're doing this stuff. Hopefully that makes that less stressful. And hopefully you're having fun. Maybe you've watched Tiger King, maybe you haven't. Um, maybe you've eaten 40 Oreos, maybe you haven't. But thanks for those of you who have reached out. Continue to be in contact. More than happy to set up Google Hangouts to talk with you individually if you have questions. Basically, today I just want to make sure that we've learned what we need to know so far about World War II. So it's a pretty straightforward, easy day. Just adding one new thing on your plate. So you can see the agenda here in the Tuesday folder, right? You've got the do now. No need to spend time on that. Just really two things you need to turn in by Wednesday. This learning check, which is just a review of all the assignments we did basically last week, and then one new article with just one question attached to it, right? So the learning check, the check-in checklist is just simply reminding you these are the things that we've done that are in the grade book or that are showing up as missing. And the learning check just wants you to go back in and look at that stuff. Feel free to take it once with no checking of your notes, and then the second time through, once you figure out if you got a couple wrong, go back in, look at the assignment that the question corresponds with. And then this other question here has to do with Japan's leader during World War II. He's a little bit different than the two fascist leaders in Europe. And this article just wants you to try to figure out, because nobody really knows for sure, try to figure out what sort of leader he was. A straightforward day right there. Do the learning check and then check that out. Japan's leader, Hirohito. Give me some feedback if other teachers are doing things well that are helping you that I'm not doing, or if there's something I'm doing that's frustrating or could be done a lot easier. I'm definitely not an expert at distance learning, and so looking forward to getting better at it as we go along. But hope you're doing well. Hope you have a good day. We'll be in touch. Take care.